What if a supercar wasn't just built to move fast, but to make your heart race before you even touch the wheel? This is the 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate, the open-top V12 legend that doesn't whisper performance, it screams it. Look at that front, that long, sculpted hood stretching forward like a beast ready to pounce. Aggressive air intakes feeding pure power straight to a naturally aspirated V12, the kind of engine car lovers dream about. Sleek LED headlights slice through the road with a stare that says one thing: try to keep up. Every line on this body is aerodynamic art. Sweeping curves merging into muscular hips, perfectly balanced, perfectly Italian. And those wheels, forged, lightweight perfection. They don't roll, they attack the pavement. That Rosso Corsa paint? It glows like liquid fire under the sun, the kind of red that turns heads before the engine even starts. Now walk to the rear. Pure drama. Quad exhaust pipes warning the world that a thunderstorm lives inside. The diffuser, the taillights, sharp, iconic, instantly recognizable. Top down, the sky becomes part of the car. Top up, you've still got a masterpiece. Inside? Oh, it's pure Ferrari in motion. Slide into those racing bucket seats. Leather that hugs you tight, like the car doesn't want to let go. Every control, every switch, every paddle, built for the driver, not the passengers. Carbon fiber everywhere. Lightweight performance with luxury in its DNA. Your digital cluster is a cockpit display of adrenaline, revs rising like heartbeat spikes. The steering wheel? It's Ferrari's command center. Start button glowing red, shift lights ready to guide every perfect gear change. Infotainment? Minimal. Because when you have a V12 soundtrack, you don't need anything else. Now fire it up. That 6.5-liter V12 roars alive. 800 horsepower, blasting air like a symphony of power and insanity. The 2022 Ferrari 812 GTS Ultimate isn't here to be admired quietly. It's built to be heard, to be seen, to be felt. This is passion, engineered into metal and fury. And once you drive it, every other car feels silent.